Can crystals create a different mode of being? Can crystals create self-awakening? No. They can assist us. They can assist someone working on awakening, but only in a small way. Just as it does nothing to just read about meditation or read about Tantra philosophy rather than doing tantric practices or even sitting in Padmasana ever. We must do more than buy items. We must put in the work. Us Westerners, the first thing we think about is going and buying something for our happiness, and that has not changed for us yogis, has it? The first thing we go do, many of us, even men, even guys, will be to go buy something for our yoga practice. Buying crystals, buying a brand new yoga mat, owning several yoga mats, buying designer yoga clothes, to the point that there's no money left over for paying a yoga teacher for a studio class or finding a tantra teacher. I cannot tell you how many times I have heard or read in an email or read somewhere that someone cannot pay to learn authentic tantra from myself or another teacher, tantra teacher in India, because they cannot afford it. Yet they are wearing a $200 yoga outfit or spending huge amounts of money on other things. They have a stack of tantra books. We cannot read to fully learn something, to not learn tantra, to not learn meditation. These things must be practiced. So aside from the ethics of buying crystals, it is about knowing what truly matters. If you really want to be doing your yoga, you will do it. You might have to write it on the schedule, but don't get distractions. That is the biggest issue, the biggest thing to stop us from practicing is distractions. Try to eliminate them. Try to cut back on spending time where we should not. If you are relaxed, the first thing not to do is put in some lavender oil to relax, but to do a meditation for relaxing. And yes, it can be good to put this in the air while you're working to relax. But if you had done a really good meditation, maybe you would not be stressed out. Buying a crystal to attract love rather than doing a radiance meditation that I teach to attract a new partner if you're single. For anything, there are practices to do. And I know all of this can be fun and exciting, but please just think about it. I constantly think about it myself. There's always more changes that I can make, but I try to do the absolute best I can and think about all this I have said today. But my main thing is go practice, go do your practices, and I think I'm going to do practice myself since I am telling all you guys to be practicing. So crystals cannot create awakening. Go put in the work. Namaste.